In this video, we demonstrate how to connect PlayStation consoles, such as the PS5 and PS4. Connect the HDMI cable from the PlayStation HDMI out to the TV HDMI in. When you connect the PlayStation to the TV, a pop-up menu will appear. If the pop-up did not appear, go to the Home Launcher and click the Game Console option. You can also click the Input button on the Magic Remote Control. Select the HDMI that shows the PlayStation Game Console logo and name. A built-in game optimizer is included with the WebOS 6.0 TV to enhance your gaming experience. Once you click on Settings one time, the game dashboard will automatically appear, so you can adjust the menu from there. For more settings and adjustments, click on Game Optimizer. Click on Settings and then choose Game Optimizer Settings if the game dashboard did not appear. Under Settings, select the Game Optimizer option to set up various features to make the game more realistic. At the top bar, you can enable and disable the Game Optimizer. Using the game genre setting, we can select the most appropriate picture mode for the game genre. Depending on the game genre, you can choose the appropriate picture mode. The black stabilizer adjustment setting can be adjusted to improve the quality of dark scenes on the gaming screen with the left and right arrows. The white stabilizer setting can adjust visibility to improve the quality of bright scenes on the gaming screen using left and right arrows. The Motion Pro setting on OLEDs optimizes image quality for fast-paced games. If OLED Motion Pro is enabled, the settings will be on True Motion. You can toggle between the settings to choose the best image quality. The Reduce Blue Light setting will adjust the color temperature automatically to reduce eye strain caused by blue light. To reduce the level of blue light, you can choose the Better Blue Light. By clicking the switch on the game dashboard, you can enable or disable the setting. With AI game sound settings enabled, the AI will automatically find the best sound settings in 3D surround type. NVIDIA's adaptive synchronization is supported by VRR and G-Sync settings. You can adjust the number of frames to minimize screen cracking and interruptions. AMD FreeSync Premium supports AMD's adaptive synchronization technology. To minimize screen cracking and interruptions, you can adjust the scan rate. The Fine-Tune Dark Areas setting allows you to adjust the brightness of the dark part of the game screen to make it more visible when input-related settings are enabled. In the menu color setting, you can change the color of the game optimizer and game dashboard. The User Guide setting provides detailed information about all game optimizer settings.